In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ConvertKit newsletter. We'll walk through the full process from choosing a template all the way to sending your email so you can confidently create and publish your next newsletter. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Send. From the drop-down menu, choose Email Templates. This is where you'll set the look and structure of your email. On the top right, click New Email Template. ConvertKit will now show you a variety of template designs. You can use the filters on the left side to narrow them down based on your style or layout preferences. When you find one you like, simply click on it and it will open in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a preview of your email template on the center or left side, and all your editing options on the right sidebar. This is where you customize the content. Start by updating the subject line. Make it specific and benefit focused so people immediately understand what they'll gain by opening your email. Next, adjust the preview text. This appears right after the subject in most inboxes, so use it to support your subject line and create a bit of curiosity. Then, rewrite your opening. Begin with a relatable problem, a quick story, or a simple hook that makes your reader feel like this email was written just for them. Move on to the main content and keep it centered around one clear idea. Explain it in a practical, straightforward way so your readers know exactly what to take away. After that, add your call to action. Decide on one specific thing you want readers to do, such as click a link or reply to the email, and make that instruction clear. Close your email with a short, encouraging message or reflection, and then review your signature and footer so they stay simple, clean, and professional. If you need to edit any text, click directly on the text area and use the formatting toolbar that appears at the top. If you want to adjust a block, like an image or button, click on that block, and the editing options for it will show up in the right sidebar. Once everything looks good, click Publish on the top right. When the page reloads, choose Send Email. Here, you can set the sending address, choose who will receive the email, add filters or filter groups, schedule it for later if you don't want to send it immediately, and add an internal note for your own reference. When you're done, click Continue at the bottom right. A final review pop-up will appear so you can double-check your newsletter. If everything is correct, click Send Email to publish your newsletter.